Manimukta Fudongba Diamond Jubilee Celebration asida saruk yabaleng biragliba maikei kaya dagi koi nei kai khumna bau chariba pumna makpu sinja langjari bakasbani imphal gi maikei dagi taram nokchabaga loinana khurumjari.
1963 is a year etched in the history of Akashvani Imphal and the state of Manipur.
Englishing Amaga Chamapan Humpu Humdoi Ekoina Matam Chupada Ningsing Duna Leragadaba Chahiamani Sahia Sidani Konjel Gitaibang Amada Koipuna Sangshin Minarakiba Akasbani Imphal Sahia Sigi August Hagi Tarik Taramangada Mapoktamki.
The first broadcast went live from the premises of the Raj Bhavan in Imphal. Since then, there has been no looking back.
Ihan Hanba Akasbani Imphal gi Thauram Haujikna Raj Bhavan gi Kha Thangba Adubu Hojik Makti Raj Bhavan gi campus Manung the Lakre Studio Ohum Khak Leiba Apikpa Building Amadagi Ihan Hanba Manipur da broadcasting August Taramanga 1965 Sidagi Hokibani Madugi Mamang Konjel gi Taibang da Koi Punna Lamdam Sida Changshin Minarakibadi Ing Lisingamaga Chamapan Yankai Teret ki Mei Gitang Kungamathoi Manipuri program si Ihan Hanbo Oina Gawhati station degi Lamdam Sigi Miyamna Ima Londa Manipuri Londa Thauram Taba Fangjaki Matamadu degi Hauna Akasbani Imphal ama Konjel gi Taibangda Ima Londa Amadi Lamdam Sigi Koi Leminariba Kanglup Kuding Makki Konjel Sandokpa Aikoi Isagi Oijaba station ama Laigadabani Haibasi Matam Dugi Mityeng Shanna Ubikiba Ahalaman Singh Karadangi Ming Panjarabada Lai Mayum Ibungo Hal Sarma Adigi Sagnairaba Sri Elangam Nilakanta Khomdram Dhanachandra Kaisam Kunjabihari Aduga Akasbani Imphal gi Assistant Director Program Fawbagi Pampubiramba Maguntana Yomlaba Khaidem Nabakumar Aduga Mioi Kayamana Chain Chongdana Bharat Sarkar gi Nakongda Aikoi Ishagi Oijaba Station Ama Laitaba Yade Haidana Taksin Badugi Mahi Oina Lisingamaga Chamapal Humpu Mangagi August Taramanga Sida Sagi Panjakiba Akasbani Imphal Taibang Paurakibani.
The growth in Akashvani Imphal, to say the least, has been phenomenal. Today, we air programs in 22 minor dialects alongside Manipuri, Hindi, and English. The motto has remained Bahujan Hitaya, Bahujan Sukhaya, for the welfare of most, for the happiness of most.
Akasbani gi Kholaugdi Miyam gi Kananabagi Damakta Amasung Miyam gi Nungainabagi Damakta Haibasini Bahujana Sukhaya Bahujana Hitaya Hairiba Panda Masida Tongan Tongan ba Leminariba Kanglup Kungani Thoigi Aduga major dialect Taret Amasu Yauri Sida Natana Manipuri English Hindi da Makal Mathelgi Mapung Paraba Thorum Kaya Hauki Bachahi Humpu Wasida Englishing Amaga Chamapal Humpu Humdoigi August Taramanga Englishing Aniga Kunga Humdoi Forwardani Equina Sahi Humpu Subaging asi Mai Pakna Diamond Jubilee Pangtok Charibasi Aduna Miyamgi Bunsiga Sagona Duna Miyamga Tatna Tanaba Yadaba Mari Tamduna Akasbani Imphal Ngasisu Manglom the Changshin Jaragli.
Akashvani Imphal is the most viewed channel on YouTube among top 20 highest earning stations as per the data analyzed by Prasar Bharati Commercial.
Akasbani Imphal gi Laibak Yamna Fabamana Bharat ki Ladiba station Chahum Henba Akasbani gi station Ladiba Mayamasigi Kwaidagi Makok Itang Tangna Matamga Chunaraba technology sing social media ki platform ama oiriba YouTube channel da miyam na khwaidagi pamna thoram sing tabiba masi all India gi survey gi report matung inani aduna Manipur gi diaspora Manipur amadi Manipur gi mapanda Bangladesh da Silchar da Myanmar da sida natana akhoi gi loan singang liba malem sin batung na sandoktana leikraba Manipuri miyam na Akashvani Imphal gi thoram sing tabi bagi chang asuki matik wangi YouTube channel da India da highest listenership YouTube view to bibasi Akashvani Imphal gi channel asini.
Among the top 5 revenue earning stations of Akashvani Northeast, Akashvani Imphal stands shoulder to shoulder with Akashvani Guwahati.
Sida natana Akashvani Imphal gi ate achievement mayam gi marakta Bharat ki leiraba station mayam asigi marakta gi commercial revenue earning dasu aikoi gi si directorate na set torok target khuding makki hendoktu na chatpang amba station amasu oirakli masi pumnamak station asigi foundation thambiramba aduga tangkak ki oiba thau pubiramba ahalaman sing koi gi thak thongba officer sing adugi kanna hona biramba adugi mahini aduna now the time has come governor Manipur gi kai khumna jaraba honorable governor mikup kharagi manungda mafam asida hall asigi manungda lengsin biraklagani duna miyamna governor lakpaga aikoina ihan hanbada leibaki isai national anthem khongba matamda mipum kudingmakna hall asigi manungda lebiriba kai khumna jaraba kudingmakna phampam langdagi mikup kharadang lengkhat piraga koigi jati gi isai national anthem asibu kai khumna bot poina koina sidu su khangan jarake tuga mikup kharagi manungda governor lakpasigi mangoinana koina ningching janing kharadang aigi co-host oibiriba Minerva thongnawjamdagi tabise.
We have been informed that the Honorable Governor of Manipur will be joining us very shortly. So while we await our Honorable Governor's arrival, may I remind gently that as soon as the Governor arrives and take the stage, we shall be playing the National Anthem of India. All our respected guests and invitees are requested to rise on their seats as the National Anthem plays.
Ngasigi aikoigi thoramasida Manipur gi kai khumna jaraba Rajyapal Sri Ajay Kumar Bhallana mithunglen oina saru yavigani aduga Akashvani gi Director General oibiriba Sri Rajiv Kumar Jain na thorum gi mapu oibigani preside to bigani masigi mathangda Manipur lenga ki Additional Chief Secretary Sri Anurag Bajpai Guest of Honor gi famfam langda lengsin bigani loina na awang nongpok lamdam gi Akashvani Notice Zone gi Additional Director General Sri Satyajit Das da is the Guest of Honor oina lengsin bigani aduna ngasi gi thoromasi haunanabagi pungpham mikup kharadamak ngaisilakle aduna ngasi gi kai khumna jaraba thoiba mithunglen Rajyapal Sri Ajay Kumar Bhallagi hol asida lengsil lakadaba mikup adu mayam khaurang na ngaiminasi
Our esteemed invitees today will be Chief Guest, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Sri Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Director General of Akashvani Imphal, Sri Rajiv Kumar Jain, IIS, will preside over the function as the President. And as our guest of honor, we have Sri Anurag Bajpai, IFS, Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, and Sri Satyajit Das, IES, Additional Director General, Akashvani Northeast Zone.
Mikup kharagi manungda ngasigi mithunglen oibigadoriba kai khumna jaraba Rajyapal thunglagadawriba asida aikoigi organization asigi mahut sinbiraga Director General Akashvani Sri Rajiv Kumar Jain aduga Additional Chief Secretary Government of Manipur Sri Anurag Bajpai aduga Additional Director General Akashvani Sri Satyajit Das Honorable Governor bu receive tobinabagidamagta request tawjari.
May I request Shri Rajiv Kumar Jain, IIS, Director General of Akashvani, our guest of honor, Shri Anurag Bajpai, IFS, Additional Chief Secretary, and Shri Satyajit Das, IES, Additional Director General, Akashvani Northeast Zone, to kindly receive our Honorable Governor of Manipur.
Haujikta aikoina phangjaba pauda the governor is on the way. It takes about 2 minutes. Koigi Raj Bhavan dagina mafam asi yorakpada it takes about 2.5 minutes. So the government koigi governor si Raj Bhavan dagi koigi lengthokre haibagi haujikta pau pibire aduna minute ani makhai gi manungda mafam asida suksoi soidana yobirak masi phawbadangdi kai khumnajaraba hol asida lengchin biriba pumna makna warabasu wana koi punna ngai minanabagi nolukna hangachari.
It would take just about 2.5 minutes for our Honorable Governor of Manipur to reach this venue. So, requesting all our esteemed invitees to kindly wait along with us patiently.
Governor na hek thunglabaga koigi phampham langda lepa matam aduda National Anthem Manipur Rifles ki band na khongbigani duna jati gi isai asibo ikhoina ikai khumnaba uchaba oina hol asigi manungda lengsin biriba khwai pumnamakna mikup karadang koigi National Anthem gi kai khumnaba du utpinaba mangjongna na nolukchari.
As the Honorable Governor of Manipur arrives, we shall all rise on our seats and along with to show respect to the national anthem of India, which will play soon as the Honorable Governor arrives.
Akashvani Imphal gi sanglava khongchat asida English sing amaga chamapal humpu humdoi August 15 asidagi hauraga ngasi phawba satharakliba aikoigi sanglava khongchat asida awa nungai kaya na thallaba Akashvani gi adugumba matam oikhi adu matam tu ta pubikhiba matik charaba maguntana yomlaba thongmi singna Akashvani Imphal gi ngasi oirakliba phibam asigi yumpham makoina thonbirambani aduna ngasi aikoigi rakta lengsin biriba Akashvani Imphal gi hana tau pubirimba thongmi sing aduga koina matam amada loina jaramba amadi laikhidraba pumnamakki mafamda ngasigi Diamond Jubilee na lakpada pumnamakki mafamda ikok nonna kurumjari.
Akashvani Imphal that we see today is the hard-earned sweat and grit of the officers who have been serving since the year 1963.
Aduga koina thorum sigi formal function sigi mangoina na ningsing janingba amana hall asigi protocol ama oina hall asigi manungda chanava thaknaba ising amadi atei potlam sing pusinba yadavagi protocol chatnabi ama leiba maramna aikoina lengbirakliba ikai komnajaraba guest dignitaries singi ngaihaktang koigi aram khawrang kokna navagi arrangement cha amadi chana thaknanaba horel thoromgi marak thatna dumak koina marang kaina sinjari tobutabu hol asigi manungda madu pusinba yadavagi protocol chatnabi ama leibanina mayamda madum tangdi warau bidana mayamgi cha amadi tei chana thaknaba potlam sing first floor amadi ground floor animakta phangnanaba koina sinjari masimatang mangjaunana ningsing janingi.
A gentle reminder to all our esteemed guests, food and beverages are not allowed inside this auditorium, and hence there will be no in-service here. However, we have unlimited beverages available in the lobby and on the ground floor. Our respected dignitaries and guests are kindly requested to visit the lobby and the ground floor for food and beverages.
ꯏꯪ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯅꯤꯒ ꯇꯔꯥꯃꯥꯊꯣꯏꯗ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯄꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯀꯣꯛ ꯊꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯀꯥꯁꯕꯥꯅꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯇ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯀꯥꯁꯕꯥꯅꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯔꯗ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯃꯛ ꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯐꯣꯔꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯨꯡ 12ꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯊꯖꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯜꯗ ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇ ꯌꯨꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯚ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯃꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯊꯥꯡꯗ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯃꯤꯀꯨꯞ ꯈꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ 12 ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯇꯧ ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯀꯥꯁꯕꯥꯅꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯄꯨꯂꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯂꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯄꯦꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯞꯅꯅꯕ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯣꯏꯗꯥꯕꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯕꯅꯤ.
Our listeners are the backbone of Akashvani Imphal. As per the 2011 census, the number of population and the ratio of radio listeners are the highest throughout the country.
Kind attention, ladies and gentlemen, the governor is almost inside the auditorium. He has just arrived. Akoigi ikai khumnajaraba Manipur gi Rajyapal haujik akoigi City Convention Center ki campus yausin lakle haibagi pau fangjare aduna mayam su governor na stage thakta hek ka khalakpa matam du daida akoina ikai khumnaba punna utminnanabagi damakta akoigi national anthem khongba matam du daida isa isa gi phampham langdagi mikup kharadang lepkat piraga jati gi isai national anthem masibu ikai khumnaba utminnanabagi damakta Akashvani Imphal gi maikaidagi nolukchari.
60 years of Akashvani Imphal, 60 years of broadcasting, 60 years of grit, glory and determination. A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Akashvani Imphal, I extend a warm and respectful welcome to each and every one of you gathered here today for a historic occasion, the Diamond Jubilee celebration of Akashvani Imphal, marking 60 years of broadcasting service to the people.
Kai khumnajabra Manipur gi Rajyapal apamasida thunglare.
May I now request everyone to kindly rise as we welcome our chief guest, president and guests of honor, as also to show our deepest respect to the national anthem of India.
Mapamasida lengshin biri bapum namagna ikai khumnajaraba Rajyapal amadi ngasige guest of honor sing buikai khumnaba uchabo oina jati gi isai national anthem khongba matamda isa isa gi phampham langdagi lengkhat piduna pikup kharadang jati gi isai asibu ekoi punna ikai khumnaba utminnasi haina nolokchari. National anthem, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. It is my privilege to welcome on the dais Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla, our President of today's function, Shri Rajiv Kumar Jain, IIS, Director General of Akashvani, and our esteemed guests of honor, Shri Anurag Bajpai, IFS, Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, Shri Satyajit Das, IES, Additional Director General, Akashvani Northeast Zone, and Shri Nongmaithem Nandakumar Singh, Director Engineering, Akashvani Imphal.
Ngasi Akashvani Imphal ge Diamond Jubilee celebration asigi athoiba mithunglen kai khumnajaraba Manipur ge Rajyapal Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla aduga thorum asigi preside tobigadoriba Director General Akashvani Shri Rajiv Kumar Jain, guest of honor sing Shri Anurag Bajpai, Additional Chief Secretary Government of Manipur aduga Additional Director General Akashvani Northeast Zone Shri Satyajit Das loina na Akashvani Imphal gi Head of the Office obiriba Shri Nongmaithem Nandakumar bu khoi phampham langda lengsin bikibagi damakta thagatpa ikai khumnaba phongdokjari.
We shall now felicitate our distinguished dignitaries as a gesture of respect and gratitude.
Dais the lengsin biriba sing bu felicitate to binabagi damakta ngasigi khoi gi volunteers sing asar sing sem sadana levina bagi damakta ihan hanbo oina.
May I request Shri Nongmaithem Nandakumar Singh, Director Engineering and Head of Office Akashvani Imphal, to kindly do the honors of presenting a lengyan, the traditional shawl, and a memento to our chief guest, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla.
Kai khumnajaraba HOO Shri Nongmaithem Nandakumar na ngasigi chief guest Rajyapal ikai khumnajaraba Rajyapal Rajiv Ajay Kumar Bhalla da lengyan amadi koigi memento kusin nabikre.
May I request Shri Jogendrajit Thokchom, Assistant Director News, Regional News Unit, Akashvani Imphal, to kindly present a lengyan and memento to the President of today's gathering, Shri Rajiv Kumar Jain, IIS, Director General of Akashvani.
Ngasigi thoramapu oina lengsin biriba Akashvani gi Director General Shri Rajiv Kumar Jain da Akashvani Imphal gi RNU Regional News Unit ki Head obiriba Assistant Director News Shri Thokchom Jogendrajit na lengyan amadi ningsing kudol memento kudol tambiri.
May I also request Srimati Nongthombam Roma, Head of Program Akashvani Imphal, to kindly present a lengyan and memento to our guest of honor, Shri Anurag Bajpai, IFS, Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur.
Mathangda Manipur Lengaki Additional Chief Secretary gi Thopubiriba Shri Anurag Bajpai, IFS da Akashvani Imphal gi Head of the Program obiriba Srimati Nongthombam Romana lengyan amadi ningsing kudol memento kudol tambiri.
May I now request Shri Joy Muirang, Additional Director Engineering, Akashvani Imphal, to felicitate our guest of honor, Shri Satyajit Das, IES, Additional Director General, Akashvani Northeastern Zone, with a lengyan and a memento.
Mathangda Akashvani NEZ ki Additional Director General Shri Satyajit Das, IES pu lengyan amadi ningsing kudol memento koigi Assistant Director Engineering Shri Joy Muirang na kudol tambiri.
Lastly, may I request Gangmei Naipu, Assistant Engineer Akashvani Imphal, to kindly felicitate Shri Nongmaithem Nandakumar, Director Engineering Akashvani Imphal, with our token of appreciation.
Mathangda Akashvani Imphal gi Head of the Office amadi Director Engineering oibiriba Shri Nongmaithem Nandakumar bu Akashvani Imphal gi Assistant Engineer Gangmei Naipu na lengyan amadi ningsing kudol memento kudol tambiri.
We express our heartfelt appreciation to all our guests for gracing this occasion and adding prestige to our celebration.
Akashvani Imphal gi maikaidagi dais da lengsin biriba ikai khumnajaraba pumnamakpu thamoidagi thagatpa nungaiba harauba phongdokjari.
May I now invite our chief guest, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla, President Shri Rajiv Kumar Jain, IIS, Director General of Akashvani Imphal, and guest of honor,
Shri Anurag
Bajpai, IFS, Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, to kindly come forward to light the lamp and inaugurate the Diamond Jubilee celebration of Akashvani Imphal.
Akashvani Imphal gi Diamond Jubilee celebration gi seng laba maira chukhat pinana bagi damakta ikai kumnajarva Rajyapal Sri Ajay Kumar Bhalla amadi Director General Akashvani Sri Rajiv Kumar Jain Loinana Additional Chief Secretary Government of Manipur Sri Anurag Bajpai Loina na dais the lengchin biri pakudik makna seng laba maira asi chukhatuna ngasi gi thauram asi mapung phan binaba pumnamaki yaifamangol oinana bagi damakta maira chukhat pikre pumnamakpu thagachari.
Thank you, dignitaries. May this light continue to guide Akashvani Imphal in its journey of service, harmony, and progress.
ngasi gi seng laba maira asina Akashvani Imphal bu he na chaukhatpa afaba maikei da chatpangamba pinabirasadu.
To formally welcome the gathering, may I now invite Sri Nongmaithem Nandakumar Singh, Director Engineering and Head of Office, Akashvani Imphal, to deliver the welcome address.
Ngasigi Diamond Jubilee celebration asigi taram no upagi warul haujik Akashvani Imphal gi Director Engineering Head of the Office Sri Nongmaithem Nandakumar na miyambu taram no upagi warul pibigani.
Honorable Governor of Manipur and the chief guest of this function, Sri Ajay Kumar Balaji, respected President of this event, and the Director General of Akashvani, Sri Rajiv Kumar Jain, respected guest of honor, Sri Additional Chief Secretary, Sri Anurag Bajpai, and Additional Director General of All India Radio and Doordarshan, Notice Zone, Sri Satyajit Das, distinguished guests, eminent personalities, members of the media, invited guests, listeners of Akashvani, staff, contingency staffs, family members, and ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a privilege for me to extend a heartfelt welcome to all of you on behalf of Akashvani Imphal at this momentous Diamond Jubilee celebration of Akashvani and the celebration of 90 years of Akashvani. Your gracious presence has truly elevated this occasion and continues to inspire every member of the Akashvani family. The journey that began in 1963 at Raj Bhavan has resonated across the state, entertaining, educating, and informing, winning the hearts of millions along the way. Today, Akashvani services are streamed online, making them accessible to listeners around the world. In less than 5 years, Akashvani YouTube channel has garnered nearly 3 lakh subscribers and an impressive 1.4 million monthly views, making the highest among all Akashvani stations nationwide. It remains the only station live streaming 24/7 on YouTube in the network. A souvenir is being released today at this function, showcasing the station's important milestones and the prestigious national awards it achieved over the years and the technological innovations that distinguish it from other stations across the country. The station's greatest strength lies in its deep-rooted local connection with all the listeners, engaging program content, reliable local news bulletins, excellent technical support. The programs of Akashvani Imphal aim to promote peace across the region and communities, nurturing music, drama, and literature, giving a platform to the countless artists. The training classes conducted at the station for youths are designed to bridge academia with industry, and the audio repository of the station will one day help train AI to better the speech model of our language. The augmented reality and the virtual reality research at the stations are aimed to enhance the presentation of the local folklores and the folk tales of this region. Today, we also celebrate Akashvani's remarkable 90 years journey. We honor its important role during the freedom struggle, airing the voices of freedom fighters and broadcasting the historic Tryst with Destiny, the speech at the stroke of the midnight of the Independence Day. During the wars in the 1962, 65, and 1971, All India Radio stood as the voice of the nation, reporting from front lines. For 90 years, Akashvani has been the soundtrack to India's story. Today, the 5th of November 2025, at this Gala City Convention in Imphal, we pay tribute to this trusted voice of the nation. This Jubilee is not about the culmination of a journey. It's the dawn of a new chapter. With these words, I once again extend my warm welcome to all present here, and thank you for joining to celebrate this proud legacy of Akashvani, and wishing you a productive and inspiring event. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your warm words of welcome and the insights on Akashvani.
Head of the Office Akashvani Imphal, Director Engineering Sri Nomaithem Nandakumar bu Taram Nokpagi Warol amadi keynote punna pibibagidamagta thagat phongdokchari.
We now present the state song of Manipur from the artist of Roop Rag. May I request everyone to kindly rise for the state song.
Manipur gi state song oiriba Sana Laibak Manipur sakpagi tanja aduni lengchin biriba pumna makna isa isa gi phampham langdagi mikup kharadang lepkhat piduna state song asibu ikai khumna ba utpa oina thorumasi mai pakna bagidamakta ningsingjari nolukchari.
Thank you. Please be seated.
Pumna makpu thagachari.
The state song of Manipur becomes all the more significant at this celebration, and may I position Sana Laibak Manipur is an in-house composition of Akashvani Imphal, which later on came to be adopted as the state song.
Roop Raga gi artist sing na lanthok pikiba Sana Laibak Manipur state song oina 1967 dagi hauna Manipur gi achou function sing da adumak de facto miyam na yanava state song oina lai adug August 21 1921 sidai sida government ki gazette notification thoktuna state song oina थम्बिखरबा मगुन लेरबा इसैनी आकाशवाणी इम्फाल की थौमी अमा ओइबिरंबा बी जयंत कुमार शर्मना 1964 दा इसै असि इबिखिबनी अदुगा आइगा अरिबम श्याम शर्मना इसै असि कंपोज तौबिबनी.
We now move towards the address by our esteemed guests of honor.
मथंगदा ngasi guest of honor na miyamda warol Diamond Jubilee celebration gi warol thambinaba ningsingjari.
May I first invite Shri Satyajit Das, IES, Additional Director General, Akashvani North Eastern Zone, to deliver his address.
Notice Zone Akashvani gi Additional Director General Obiriba Sri Satyajit Das na miyamda Diamond Jubilee gi warol thambigani. Sir Satyajit Das.
Thank you. Honorable Chief Guest, His Excellency, the Governor of Manipur, Sri Ajay Kumar Ballaji, distinguished dignitaries on the dais, our distinguished guests, my dear colleagues from Akashvani and Doordarshan, friends from the media, and dear listeners. A very good morning to you all. It is my great honor and privilege to be here on this momentous occasion, the Diamond Jubilee celebration of Akashvani Imphal. 60 years of dedicated service to the people of Manipur and to the nation is indeed a milestone that fills us with both pride and gratitude. Throughout these 6 decades, Akashvani Imphal has been much more than a radio station. It has been a friend and a guide to the generation of listeners, reflecting Manipur's vibrant mosaic, amplifying local voices, fostering unity in diversity, whether through its rich collection of Manipur music or performing arts, its regional news coverage or its educational program. The station has remained deeply rooted in the life and culture of this land. Akashvani Imphal has always stood firm, ensuring that truth, information, and hope reached every corner of the state. Such is the strength of radio, silent yet powerful, traditional yet relevant. As you celebrate this proud milestone, we must look ahead also. The future of broadcasting lies in convergence, blending the authenticity of radio with the reach and the interactivity of digital platform. I am confident that Akashvani Imphal, with its talented and dedicated team, will continue to innovate and inspire, keeping pace with the changing times while upholding the ideas of public service broadcasting. On this special occasion, I convey my sincere appreciation to all officers and staff, past and present, whose commitment and creativity have built this great institution. Your work truly embodies the motto of Akashvani, Bahujan Hitay and Bahujan Sukhay, for the welfare and happiness of all. I once again extend my heartfelt congratulations to the entire Akashvani Imphal family and wish you continued success in the years ahead. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words and encouragement.
Adongi Mamalyam Laba, Warul Thambirambagi Damakta, Akashvani Notice Zone gi Additional Director General Sri Satyajit Daspu, Akashvani Imphal gi Maiki Degi, Amkai Litana Thagat Papong Dokchari.
May I now request Sri Anurag Bajpai, IFS, Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, to kindly share his words with us.
Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, Sri Anurag Bajpai na Mahaki Warul Thambigani Ngasigi Diamond Jubilee Thoromgi.
Honorable Governor Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Ballaji, distinguished guests on the dais, officers and staff of Akashvani Imphal, members of media fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a moment of great pride and joy to join you all in celebrating the Diamond Jubilee celebration of Akashvani Imphal, a landmark that few institutions achieve. 100 years of public service, 90 years broadcasting is not just a chronicle of sound waves and transmission towers. It is the story of a people's voice, a steady, trusted, and enduring through generations. As it has been told that from its humble beginning as a modest station, broadcasting in limited range, Akashvani Imphal has grown into a voice that resonates across valleys and hills, reaching people in their own languages, connecting communities and preserving our shared cultural heritage. It has truly been the media of the masses, reaching where no other medium could, connecting the remotest corner of our state. Over the decades, it has been a trusted companion during moments of celebration and in times of challenge, carrying news, education, culture, and hope to every household. As we celebrate this glorious past, we must also reflect on the present scenario. The media landscape today is undergoing rapid transformation, as we all know, with digital platforms, social media, podcasts, and streaming services. The way people consume information and entertainment has changed dramatically. Yet the relevance of Akashvani remains undiminished. Its credibility, its reach, and its emotional connect with people continue to make it a unique public service broadcaster. However, to remain the voice of the people in the 21st century, technological advancement and reforms are essential. Akashvani must embrace digital radio, online streaming, mobile applications, and social media integration. Equally important are institutional reforms, encouraging innovations, upgrading skills of personnel, and fostering collaborations with university, cultural institutions, and the creative industry. Akashvani must continue to the conscience and voice of the people, even as it evolves, to meet the needs of a new digital society. The need of the hour is to blend tradition with technology, to preserve our roots while adapting to the changing communication ecosystem. Let this Diamond Jubilee not be a celebration of the past alone, but a renewed pledge for the future to keep Akashvani's spirit alive, relevant, and resonant with the dreams of New India. On this proud occasion, I convey my heartfelt greetings to all officers, staff, and listeners of Akashvani Imphal. May the coming years be one of innovation, inclusivity, and continued public trust. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words and belief in Akashvani.
Manipur Lingaki Additional Chief Secretary Obiriba Sri Anurag Baspai na Mamalyam Laba Diamond Jubilee gi Warol Thambiraba gi damakta Sinjalangjariba Akashvani Imphal gi Maiki degi Thamoi degi Nungaiba duka Thagat Phongdokchari.
To celebrate the rich cultural heritage of Manipur, we now have a special folk music performance by the Princess of Manipuri Folk Music and Cultural Ambassador of Manipur, Mangka Mayanglambam. Mangka is an A-grade folk singer of Akashvani and ICCR impaneled artist known for her authenticity and excellence in traditional music. Mangka Mayanglambam has also represented India at the Asia Pacific Broadcasting Union in 2014.
Lengshin Biriba Singh da Nohona na sak tak ludragasu Malem Pumbana sak Kangbiraba Akashvani Imphal gi Chokthok Chariba Grade A artist folk singer Mangka Mayanglambam na mathang da ngasigi Diamond Jubilee celebration asigi folk ki isay amakudol tambigani Mangka Mayanglambam 2014 da Bijaya Yumlimbam program executive na escort to biduna mahak loinana Sri Lanka gi Colombo da Asia Pacific Broadcasting Union gi adugum laba malen gi platform aduda Bharat ki mahut sinduna India da ahan bani folk singer Mangkana Asia Pacific Broadcasting Union gi platform amada jagoi utpiruba lamdam masigi kala sanskriti bu sak takpiruba Bharat bu sak takpiruba mamalyam laba lamdam masigi artist Mangka mayang lambam stage da kaushinjari.
Hello, hello. Hello. Check, hello. Check, check, hello. Hello. His Excellency, and to all the respected dignitaries and everyone here, Kurumjeri, a very good morning. With great honor, we will be presenting a glimpse of a living tradition of Manipur, which is called Pena Isai. And I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you. Bồi đây đã na sana lấy băng đi lại na tháp đi lâm đâm lối bi đã là chính lối mà bờ là coi nè úp hầm chân và lâm nè ha bụi đây sana cần lấy pa kige lila chu mui rang lila chu sap gi loi ba nai dra ba tha ba gi loi ba nai dra ba bu wang lin mi kup marum dang sai tha tam jara ki ai bu ngoi mu lam le ni kum lai pan soi da cha ba ngang ba ning thi pam hei ba ngang kham ba na phar ga pu jare pi bu phatra ba nong ba na ma na bha ba ni hai da na la na pong dam mare kau ren san amuk ka han na pharo hai da na ya thang thok la ba da ai bu ngo ngang nong yai kham ba sa gai pham thak ta gi kau ren pha ga ni hai da na kum dharak pa pha jai nai pa sing ho hết bờ lông mình lặng thế kia hết bên hà lông mình lặng thế kia mà riêng kia yang kia na xuống trên na thân lấy mai thân tật cũng mi tật thân xịt lắc lê tật thân hút lắc lê sắp nơi đi bên lẩm đâm đi thắp nơi đi bên mạch cây đi phi côn lậu ra kia tăng cực này đây nghe ăn ngon nên nông nhai khắp về đồ sạch lấy bên mai cây ta hả chắc sẽ lật lên nông nhai
sạch nông nhai mày có mày
마지해니야 나 핵다마이 뚱놈다 기리기리기리야 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 기리 핵다인마 사나무인 갈라마 농야이나무 강마 농야이나무인 갈라마 사나무 강마 인포가 인센가 인포가 인센가 말레도 오픈다 와와 뽕맘 핵맘 그래 마다 오브도 동네는 팜팜랑이 폭랑 하고래 하려나
빨리 샴종 산마다와 각파바 모두 꾸이면 해 자기 멋지 도대우 자기 몸매이 타달루 자기 만나 타달루 사마동 사다지고 당장 라이는 같이
소리 망리 사기 사다 화래 하이잖아 지구 당신 라이는 너무 야르로이네 하이
에이 짜오부 북강 마토밀레요 짜다 하이자부는 더욱가리레이 빨리 샴종 전파로
앙아 농야이 가봐 가오렌 산말렘데 긴라우는 남 셀람네 하이라간 똥놈다 발라우는 정도의 산기만 있다 핵다마이 강찡찡 강타타 강찡 강타 핵타보다 산 고르고다 꾸다가 감도날래 산나 갈리야 앙아 나 길로 까랑발롱노 까롱자 용빌롱나니 해 하이람라가 감바 아돈데
뽕뽕빠
맞잖아
시바
홍나데
누기
마파리야 할리마 만둥야이 감루기 뽕빠데 아이로잔바 마세네 아이랑라가 가바가브랑 만마 타올리나 산기마 지엔이다 파라우나 홍방가 까우리 산 파키 하이나 아둥아이 Thank you.
Thank you, Manka, for the soul-stirring rendition celebrating our roots.
Mangka mayang lambamgi sumatningay oiraba performance adu pibirambagi damakta Akasbani Imphal gi maikaidagi thagat papongdokchari.
Next, we are honored to have with us Padma Shri Awardee Guru Ruben Mashangwa, a celebrated musician, pioneer of Naga folk blues and national award winner, who will present a tribal musical performance reflecting the vibrant traditions of the hills of Manipur. To give a little synopsis of the song, this song celebrates the beauty of a lady, Chonkom Philawa. The freshness of youth seems like that of blackthorn flowers, Kapaiwon, white cherry flower that blooms in the heart of the young people. He also says, the Lady Chonkom is the princess of the mountains, and her dress flashes like the tail of a peacock.
Malimgi platform kayada Manipurgi inak khullaba kala sanskriti thodok hendokna chingtam anigi fajaraba natki masagasi malimgi miyamda utpiruraba Padma Shri Awardee Sri Guru Ruben Mashangwa na mathangda Tangkhul folk music performance kudol tambigani ngasi tambigadori ba kudol asi Chonkom Philawa hairiba nupi macha asigi maramda aduga mahakasi chingi princess ni hainasu saithari isai asina lowisi Padma Shri Guru Ruben Mashangwa.
Hello.
Ô chẳng có phiền là vợ, chẳng có phiền là vợ. Đất giấc mơ dòng nhanh quy ca mây nè na sari dòng nhanh quy ca mây thái na sari. Ô chẳng có phiền là vợ, chẳng có phiền là vợ. Ô gặp không phiền là vợ. Na con na xin cô bằng con nè sung thế thế nó thế thay ô bằng ngái cái chẳng là ô chẳng có pin là vợ. Nasata si qui kame kaye na sana wisa oh chẳng có pin là vợ, chẳng có pin là vợ, oh chẳng có pin là vợ, chẳng có pin là vợ. Hey ha, princess of the mountain, princess of the fountain, princess of the mountain, princess of the fountain. I love your silky smooth hair. Oh hey, oh hey, oh hey, oh hey, oh hey, oh hey, lê xì ye, chẳng có phiền là vợ. Chẳng có phiền là vợ. Lê xì ye, chẳng có phiền là vợ. Lê xì ye, chẳng có phiền là vợ. Lê xì ye, chẳng có phiền là vợ. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Padma Shri Guru Ruben Mashangwa, for the powerful and moving performance that truly resonated with the spirit of the land.
lamdam asigi tongan ba kanglup singi ningthijaraba folk music ki kudol tambiram bagidamakta Padma Shri Guru Ruben Mashangwa bungam khai leitana thagachari.
We now come to a significant moment, the release of the Diamond Jubilee Souvenir, a publication that commemorates 60 glorious years of Akashvani Imphal journey, service and achievements.
Haujik mikup kharagi manungda ngasigi dais da lengchen biriba kai khumnajaraba Rajyapal amadi guest of honor singna 60 years of Akashvani Imphal gi Diamond Jubilee celebration gi souvenir release to biragani aduna khoi gi volunteers singna dais da lengchen biriba guest chief guest amadi guest of honor president khuding makta souvenir gi copy amamam phanghan binanabagi damakta ningsingjari aduga lengbirakli basingna ngasigi souvenir asigi soft copy ekoi gi QR code ama thamjai ahan bagi oina masidagi khudakta adum souvenir gi manung da yauri basing yengbi ba yaragani.
Our chief guest, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Honorable Governor of Manipur, along with our President and guest of honor, releasing the Diamond Jubilee Souvenir of Akashvani Imphal.
Ikai khumnajaraba Rajyapal Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla amadi guest of honor na ngasigi mamalyam lava 60 years of Akashvani Imphal gi souvenir release to wikibagidamakta thagat phongdokchari.
Thank you, sir. This souvenir will serve as a lasting record of our legacy and aspirations for the future.
Ngasigi phongdokchariba souvenir asina Akashvani Imphal gi sanglaba khongchet amadi tungda paikhet ke khanjariba kaya adu souvenir asigi manungda yaurabani miyamna aikoi gi QR code aduda yengbiraga souvenir asigi content kudingmak yengbiba yaragani.
The leaflet that our esteemed invitees have on their hands has the QR code for the soft copy of the Diamond Jubilee souvenir. And also, as we speak, this program is being streamed live on YouTube. We now proceed to the distribution of citation.
Mathangda citation kudol tamjanabagidamak tanja adu yorakle.
May I request a volunteer to kindly keep the citation ready, and may I request Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla, to kindly hand over the citation. This citation will be handed over to the heads of the three verticals of Akashvani Imphal, Director Engineering, Assistant Director News, and Head of Program to commemorate this joyous occasion.
Akashvani Imphal gi tongan ba aikoi gi vertical sing department sing gi koi gi thomi pumnamak pu mahut sinbiraga Akashvani Imphal gi head of the office obiriba Sri Nandakumar RNU gi head obiriba Thokchom Jogendrajit na mahut sinbiraga kai khumnajaraba governor dagi citation Akashvani Imphal na pangthok chariba sing asi sak khangbiduna governor na kuchinabire.
The second citation is being awarded to Yambem Victor Enterprises for the generous sponsorship towards organizing today's event.
Mathangi koina lanthok chagadoriba citation asi Yambem Victor Enterprises hairiba firm asina Akashvani Imphal gidamakta koigi chauraba mateng pangbirakpagi damak loisang asina ikai khumnaba uchabani ikai khumnajaraba rajyapalna Yambem Victor Enterprises ta ngasigi citation asi kusin nabiri.
Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla, giving away the citation to Yambem Victor Enterprises. Heartiest congratulations to the recipient for their contribution.
Mana sibu fangbiriba Yambem Victor Enterprises thagachari loina na mana sibu lanthok pikibai kai khumnajaraba rajyapal Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla busu thagachari.
May I now request our President of today's function, Shri Rajiv Kumar Jain, IIS, Director General of Akashvani, to kindly deliver the presidential address.
Mathangda Akashvani gi Director General gi thopubiriba Shri Rajiv Kumar Jain IAS na Golden Jubilee celebration gi warol tambigani. Sir Rajiv Kumar Jain.
Respected Chief Guest, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla ji, respected Guest of Honor, Shri Anurag Vajpayee ji, Additional Chief Secretary, distinguished guests and patrons of Akashvani, my colleagues, Shri Satyajit Das, ADG, Nandakumar Singh, Head of Office, all staff members, ladies and gentlemen. आज बड़ा ही पावन दिन है, सभी को गुरुपर्व की लख लख बधाइयाँ. It is an honor for me to be part of the Diamond Jubilee celebration of Akashvani Imphal. आकाशवाणी का मोटो है बहुजन हिताय बहुजन सुखाय, which means that for the happiness of the many, for the welfare of the many. Always keeping this as the first principle, Akashvani endeavors to reach as many people as possible, not only by expanding its reach by way of installing more and more transmitters, but also speaking in the language of the people. Akashvani Manipur alone broadcasts programs in 22 dialects of the state, and on all India basis, this list is very long, with as many as 23 languages and 181 dialects. This is that one strength of our network which makes it unique and brings to the number one among all radio networks of the world. Nobody else broadcasts in so many languages and dialects. Information is a key ingredient in developmental process, and by ensuring that dissemination of information about governmental welfare schemes and programs to the people in their language or dialect, coupled with speed, accuracy, and credibility, Akashvani plays a great role in ensuring much wider reach and participation in developmental programs. Thus, the inclusivity of information leads to participation and contributes to achieve the goal of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. This Diamond Jubilee celebration of Akashvani Imphal brings great joy to us. It is an occasion for remembering and honoring the contribution of our predecessors who worked tirelessly to bring news, education, and entertainment to the people of the state, especially in an era long before the arrival of television and internet. I am indeed grateful and indebted to them to maintain the glorious traditions of credibility and discharging their duty as a public service broadcaster to inform, educate, and entertain all. The station has received many Akashvani awards for excellence in the past in various categories. Akashvani Imphal local news is another popular and trustworthy source of regional updates, not only for the people of the state, but also throughout the country via the national news that originates from Delhi. It is also an occasion for us to look forward and make ourselves more effective and relevant, and to work towards fulfilling our motto of Bahujan Hitaay, Bahujan Sukhaay. As our respected guest of honor Vajpayee ji mentioned, that we need to update ourselves with the information explosion on the digital platform. Now that is true that in this era of information explosion with countless number of television channels and ever-growing channels on YouTube and other digital space, which is further aided by the fact that data is very cheap, the space for radio as a medium may seem to be shrinking. But is that true? Let me assure you that Akashvani is taking full advantage of these technological advancements and turning the cyberspace into a new Akash to carry its Vani. So now we have the real Akash through various transmitters and the virtual Akash on the cyberspace to reach the people. Today you can listen to your favorite Akashvani station anywhere in the world through the internet, on Akashvani website, news on AIR mobile app, Free Dish DTH, and the recently launched Vivex mobile and smart TV app. So that means that even a Punjabi or Jalandhar, Akashvani Jalandhar can be listened to even in Imphal, or a Manipuri station can be listened to anywhere in the world. And Akashvani Manipur is doing extremely well on the cyberspace. Its YouTube channel has nearly 3 lakh subscribers, as was already mentioned by station engineer, director engineering, and an average viewership of about 1.4 million views per month. This service is more popular than many other Akashvani stations. So this kind of effort is laudable. I wish many more laurels to the station and look forward to their working with such great motivation to serve the people of the state. Once again, I extend my best wishes to all the officers and staff and listeners of Akashvani Imphal in the real as well as virtual Akash on this Diamond Jubilee Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words and continued guidance.
Akashvani Bharatale riba Akashvani ki network sing asigi khwaidagi makok thongba pham pubiriba Director General Akashvani Sri Rajiv Kumar Jain gi mamalyam laba Diamond Jubilee celebration ki warol thambiram bagidamakta thagachari.
It is now my privilege and honor to invite our chief guest, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla, to deliver the Diamond Jubilee Address.
Ngasigi mitunglen oibiri baikai khumnajaraba Rajyapal Sri Ajay Kumar Bhalla Diamond Jubilee celebration gi warul thambirana bagidamakta hangatna ningsingjari.
Shri Rajiv Kumar Jain, Director General of Akashvani, Mr. Anurag Bajpai, Additional Chief Secretary, Shri Satyajit Das, Additional DG Akashvani, and Shri Nand Kumar Singh, Director Engineering Akashvani Imphal, Senior Officers of Akashvani, Officers of the State Government, distinguished guests, some of the Padma awardees present in the audience, and members of the Akashvani Imphal family, and dear listeners, a very good morning to all of you. Kurumjari, Namaste. I am delighted to join you all in celebrating this Diamond Jubilee of Akashvani Imphal and 90th year of Akashvani Network. I extend my warmest congratulations to everyone who has contributed to this remarkable journey. The staff, artists, composers, engineers, and countless others who have made Akashvani a trusted voice across generations. I would also like to put on record the stellar performance here by Padma Shri Guru Reuben Mashangwa and Manka. Thanks for their wonderful performance to this audience. 90 years of Akashvani is not just a milestone. It's living chronicle of India's growth and resilience. During our freedom struggle and the early years of nation building, radio became a powerful symbol of unity and hope. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore's poetic renaming of All India Radio as Akashvani, the voice from the skies, beautifully captured its spirit. And who among us does not recognize the signature tune of Akashvani, which continues to resonate in our hearts every morning? As a child in Punjab town of Jalandhar during the 1971 war, the only communication available those days was to listen to Akashvani and get to know what is happening at the borders, in the war, and all those places. Akashvani Imphal has completed 60 years of service. I understand it made its humble beginning on 15th August 1963 actually within the Raj Bhavan complex, and then Akashvani Imphal has grown into a vital institution and informs, educates and entertains people across Manipur and now across the world also. Over 6 decades, it has played a key role in promoting national unity, preserving cultural heritage, and strengthening social harmony. Its programs in multiple local dialects have brought voices from remote regions to the mainstream, fostering understanding among diverse communities. The station is known for its accuracy, integrity, and ethical journalism, and its engineers have shown commendable innovation by developing tools for 24/7 YouTube live streaming channels, a pioneering achievement among Akashvani stations in the country. As mentioned by DG Akashvani, that it is now in the cyberspace also. I would in lighter way add that earlier it was Akash, now you have a cloud added to it actually. Media is changing very fast and it's faster than ever. Everybody says digital technologies have revolutionized, and so as our Akashvani has kept pace with it. Though citizens are now empowered to receive information at much more faster pace, but it has its own challenges also. We get fake news, sensationalism, and biased reporting. For a society as diverse and sensitive as Manipur, truthful and responsible journalism is vital. Media must act as a bridge that connects communities, not as a wedge that divides them. When reporting on sensitive issues, restraint and balance are as important as courage. The journalist's pen and broadcaster's microphone are powerful tools. They can either heal or harm. The responsibility to use them wisely rests with every media professional. Media, often called the fourth pillar of democracy, must remain impartial and fearless. It should question authority when needed, but never become an instrument of division or political bias. Equally important is the tone of public discourse. Debates on television or digital platforms should inform and enlighten, not descend into personal attacks or hostility. True strength lies in reasoned discussion and respect for differing views. Criticism of government policies is welcome in a democracy, but incitement, glorification of violence, or communal provocation must find no space in responsible journalism. Mahatma Gandhi ji once said, "The newspaper is a great power, but just as an unchained torrent of water submerges the whole countryside, an uncontrolled pen serves but to destroy." The media holds in its hands the power to shape society's direction, for better or for worse. In Manipur, the media's role is especially significant in fostering peace, unity, and progress. As we celebrate 60 years of Akashvani Imphal, let's reaffirm our shared commitment to truth, balance, and harmony. May Akashvani continue to be the voice that unites, educates, and inspires generations to come. Before I conclude, which I must fast because you are having a cultural program to follow, and many of the artists have come and are sitting in the audience, I would like to wish the whole Akashvani Imphal family all the best and many more many more years of progress and success. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Manipur.
Thank you, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla, for the inspiring and gracious words.
Diamond Jubilee celebration gi ningthi jaraba warol thambirambagi damakta ikai khomnajaraba Rajyapal Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla bu thagachari.
To express our gratitude to all who made today's celebration possible, may I now invite Shri Jogendrajit Thokchom, Regional News Unit, Assistant Director News, Akashvani Imphal, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Ngasigi thaurom asigi lengbirakliba kai khomnajaraba dais ta lengchinbiriba sing amadi koina mangda uzariba invitees dignitaries khudingmakpu koigi lengbirakpagi damak aduga ngasigi thaurom asi sinba langbagi thagat warol kharadang pibirananaba Regional News Unit RNU Imphal gi Assistant Director News Sri Thokchom Jogendrajit warol pibiranaba kausinjari.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, esteemed guests, colleagues, artists, and well-wishers, good afternoon to you all. It is indeed an honor and a privilege to stand before this august gathering to propose the vote of the thanks on this historic occasion, the Diamond Jubilee celebration of Akashvani Imphal. At the outset, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Sri Ajay Kumar Bhalla ji, Honorable Governor of Manipur, for gracing this celebration with his esteemed presence and his inspiring word that have added immense value to today's program. My sincere thanks to Sri Rajiv Kumar Jain, IIS, Director General of Akashvani, for his continued guidance and encouragement to all Akashvani stations across the nation, and for joining us today to celebrate 60 glorious years of Akashvani Imphal. A warm note to gratitude to Sri Anurag Bhaspai, IFF's Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, for his kind presence and word of encouragement. We are equally thankful to Sri Satyajit Das, IES, Additional Director General, Akashvani and Doordarshan, Northeast Zone, for his valuable contribution and unwavering support in making this Diamond Jubilee celebration a grand success. We owe our deepest gratitude to our retired staff members, the true pioneers who laid the foundation of this great organization. Their dedication, vision, and hard work build the very backbone of Akashvani Imphal. The strength and reputation we enjoy today are the reason of their tireless effort and commitment to public service. Equally, our heartfelt appreciation goes to the present staff member of Akashvani Imphal. You are the torch bearers of a proud legacy, working diligently every day to uphold the station standards and continue its noble mission of informing, educating, and entertaining the people. Your teamwork and dedication ensure that the voice of Akashvani continue to resonate across every corner of Manipur and beyond. A special word of thanks to the artists who performed today with such vibrancy and passion. Your performances beautifully reflected the rich cultural heritage of Manipur and added color, rhythm, and joy to this memorable day. My special thanks go out to the sponsors who have made today's event more grand, to the staff of the City Convention Center and the event management team who have made seamless coordination a possibility. Friends from the media fraternity, we are truly grateful for your coverage on this momentous occasion. Lastly, I thank everyone who contributed directly or indirectly to make this Diamond Jubilee a success. Our organizer, technical teams, security teams, supporting staff, and most importantly, our listeners who have been our strength and inspiration for the past 6 decades. As we look back with pride and look ahead with hope, let us pledge to continue serving our people with the same commitment and spirit that defined Akashvani Imphal for the last 60 years. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your words of appreciation.
Mamal yamlaba thagat wahi pibirambagidamakta Regional News Unit RNU Imphal ge Assistant Director News Sri Thokchom Jogendrajit pu thagachari.
As we come to the close of this memorable celebration, may I request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem.
Lengshin biriba pumnamakna Jatigi isai National Anthem asibu ikai khumnaba utpa oina pampam langdegi mikup karadang leptuna leibinabagidamakta sinjari basingi maikaidegi ningsingjari. National Anthem, please.
With this, we conclude the Diamond Jubilee celebration of Akashvani Imphal. We extend our heartfelt thanks to all the dignitaries, guests and participants for gracing this occasion with your presence. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated as the dignitaries take their leave.
Ngasigi dais the lengchin bikiba sing na thokiba asigi matungda ngasigi mathangi thoram ngasigi ekoina Diamond Jubilee celebration asi chaurakna tangkak ani thamjai ahan bagi formal function hauzik loichinjakre masigi mathang sidei lamdum sigi jagoi isai amadi nat ki kudol sing tamgadaba cultural program sing aduni aduna ngayaktang stage gi ekoina sem sabagi matam logjaringaida hall manung da lengsin biri bai kai khumna jaraba kuding makna mapalda lengthok piduna ekoigi hall asigi manung dadi chana thaknaba pusin bagi provision madugi protocol da yaugda bamaramna ngayaktang lengthok piraga ekoigi hall asida amukhan da lengsin biraktuna mathangi anisuba session gi cultural program jagoi isai gi thoram masibusu mapung phahan binanabagi damakta Kasbani Imphal gi maikaidagi ningsingjari.
The much anticipated cultural program will commence shortly, and while we take a short break, there will be unlimited beverages outside the auditorium. Food and drinks are not allowed inside this auditorium. And may I also add, this program is being streamed live on YouTube, and for the souvenir, there is a QR code on the leaflet that each one of you have received. You could scan and download the souvenir. This was an attempt to save paper and save trees for the future of our children.
Ngasigi nungairaba ni suba tangkaki jagoi isai thoram asidasu lengbiragliba khudingmakna saruk yabinaba tabinaba yengbinaba ningsingjari aduga ekoigi ngasigi Diamond Jubilee celebration gi thoram masi Manipur gi mapan amadi malem gi mafam pumnamakta YouTube live stream amadi radio broadcasting gi medium khudingmakta sandokchari haibasimaga ningsingjari aduga ngasigi thoram asida aikoina achouba break ama leitana rup ragagi ngasigi instrument paibi gadawriba chilenau sing stage thakta lengchin biraktuna cultural program gi haunanabagi sem sabinabagi damaktasu nolukna ningsingjari.
May I now request Srimati Merina Oinam and Sri Tampamani Lukram to kindly take the stage for the cultural programs.
Mathangi anisuba jagoi isaigi thauramgi damakta haujek stage da comparing taujariba Merina Minerva Thaunauzam amadi Aisama Kaikruzam Devendra Mahut Sinbiduna Lemhoriba Thauramgi Saruk Singh comparing Tawiranana Bagidamakta Master of Ceremonies Tampamani Lukram amadi Merina Oinamna Ekoi Anibu Mahut Sinbiranana Bagidamakta Taramna Kaushinjari.
Thank you.